A mandatory evacuation is now in place for people who live in the Hoover Beach area. This is a place that is no stranger to the damage Lake Erie can cause in a storm, and this one could be historic in nature. 7 News reporter Sydney Yours spoke with some of the people who are packing up and leaving their homes.
So I think I'm mentally and physically exhausted.
Just 3 days before Christmas, and neighbors living along Hoover Beach are bracing for the worst once again. And with a mandatory evacuation in place, some residents are scrambling to beat the clock.
A lot of pressure and, anxiety and just you're trying to stay calm and talk to family and friends, not to make anybody worried, right? Like it's the holiday season. You have a lot of friends and family calling, neighbors are calling.
South Shore resident Carrie Meyer lives right on the lake and says all that's left to do is hope for the best.
All day and all night, I've been taking down my china and packing it up in plastic bins, taking some things out of the home that I feel is really valuable and important to me. So documentations and some pictures and things like that. I just in case I don't know what's going to happen. But history has, shown here at Hoover Beach, there's been homes that have been really damaged and hit very hard.
Many neighbors along Hoover Beach have boarded up the backs of their homes to try to keep record high waves from damaging their properties.
The lake levels is what we're most concerned about, is the rise in the lake levels. It's going to be historic to 1985's numbers. And in 1985, it heavily impacted the Hoover Beach community.
Hamburg's emergency manager, Sean Crowdy, says a list of hotels has been forwarded to the Homeowners Association and reminds residents that if they don't leave, help may not be guaranteed.
It's going to be a matter of, we're not going to go through and tell people they have to leave, but if they need help while the mandatory evacuation is in place, we are not, if it's not safe enough for our rescuers to go in, we're not going to go in and rescue them. So if there's any problems, they're on their own until the storm, we have to ride it out.
Meyer says her children live nearby and is lucky she can stay with them during the storm. But with Christmas just days away, the timing couldn't be worse.
So a lot of people had a lot of decorations and a lot of food and a lot of presents and gifts ready for family and friends, so that they had to remove all those things from their homes and head to safety.
In Hamburg, I'm Sydney Yours, 7 News.